So it's 2.2, page 34, question 13. Alright, so it's 2AC minus 4AD plus BC minus 2BD. Alright, so we start with these two first of all. What? Okay, so 2 divides into 2 and 4. What can we take from both sides? An A. So what's left? C. So C minus 2D. Alright, so we need C minus 2D over here. What? Yeah, so it's plus B times C is BC. Plus B times minus 2D is minus 2BD. That's it. And the first answer is 2A plus B. And then write these two. C minus 2D. C minus 2D. Okay, so you don't have to write it twice. C minus 2D. Yeah, these two, they're the same, aren't they?
Oh, so it's signs.
Yeah, signs, everything, yeah, the whole lot. Exactly the same. Alright, so we'll have a look at question 17. I'm not going to ask you to do it, but look. In question 17 is part of the sum, that's a Z, done for you already? Is part of the sum already done for you? Yeah. It is, it's like they've done, it's like, look up, it's like they've done half the sum for you already. Alright, so what goes in the second bracket? 2y minus z? No. Alright, so what do I multiply times 2y to give me minus 2y? 1? 1 times 2y is minus 2y?
Minus 1.
Minus 1. Okay, minus 1 times 2y is minus 2y. Minus 1 times minus z is plus z. Alright, so my two answers. See, the sum was half done for you. It looked difficult, but it wasn't. Look up. And then write these two. See, they're the same?
Yeah.
2y minus z. 2y minus z. Okay? You don't have to write 2y minus z twice for the answer. These are the factors. It's called factorizing, finding the factors. Right, so we'll take a few random questions. So we'll take 21, 25, 27 and 29. We'll take those. Question 21. So just keep looking up and paying attention. 4a squared b minus 3b minus 6a plus 2ab squared. And what I'm going to do in a little while, I'm going to give you the boards and then you're going to have a go at it. So looking up, Aaron. Look it up. Alright, we'll look at these two. So this time the sum does get a little bit trickier. Look at it. Look at 4 and 3. Is there anything I can divide into 4 and 3? No. Alright. Oh well, okay. We'll stick with this. Okay. So is it better that I pair 4 up with a different number? 4 and the 2. Because they have 2 will divide into 4 and 2, isn't it? And isn't it better that I pair which two numbers, other two numbers together? So this is factorizing by pairing, it's called. So you pair them up first. It's better because 2 divides into 4 and 2, doesn't it? So we'll take this 4a squared b and pair it up with this one, plus. And then we have these two paired, don't we? Now, can you see the green? You can't really. So we'll pair these two up. So it's minus 3b minus 6a. So they're paired up, they're paired up. Right, so we'll do this one first. So what divides into 4 and 2? 2. How many a's can I take? 1 from both sides. How many b's can I take?
B.
A b. 2 times what is 4?
2.
And what am I missing? I'm missing an a. Plus 2 times 1 is 2.
Is it B?
And I'm missing a 1b. Okay, so what do you expect to see in...
C.
yeah. We expect to see the same. Only, right, I'm just going to write it the minus 3b second, and that'll be easier. Now, I put 2a plus b in here. Now, what do I multiply 2a times to get minus 6? First of all, a minus 3. Minus 3 times 2a is minus 6a. Minus 3 times b is minus 3b. Look it up. Okay, so my two answers, this is a harder one, alright? 2ab minus 3. And these are the two answers here. 2a plus b and 2a plus b. It's question 21. Alright? That's a harder one. I'm recording these so you can just keep looking up. That's the idea behind recording. I'll play it again. Question 25. Just look it up, Martin. Question 25. Pen down. 6a squared plus 15 xy minus 10ay minus 9ax. Which numbers would you pair up together?
6 and 10.
6 and 9 first of all, because 3 divides into 6 and 9, doesn't it?
And 1 to 10.
15 and 10 pair up together. So I'm going to write 6a squared and then the minus, see the minus is part of the 9, minus 9ax. And then the plus 15xy and the minus 10ay. Right. So first of all, what divides into 6 and 9?
3.
What divides into, what can I take from, yeah, I can take an a from both sides. Pens down, last time, pens down. 3 times what is 6?
2 down.
A minus
3 x. Okay, so I need an a and an x. So the a is first and x is second. What you notice about here, the x is first and then the a is second. A followed by the x. Is the a followed by the x over here?
No.
So I'm just put the 15 xy second. See? A, x, see that? So the bracket should be the same, 2a minus 3x. And what do I need to multiply by 2 to get minus 10? Minus 5 y. Okay, does that work now? Minus 5 times 2a minus 10ay, yeah. Minus 5y times minus 3x plus 15xy. Alright, so did you see there was 2 steps I had to do to make sure it was all in the correct order. So this is the first part of the answer. 3a minus 5y, and then these two here. 2a minus 3x and 2a minus 3x. I don't need that second bit. Okay. I can't wait.
What are you doing?
25, 27. Same idea. They're all exactly the same sums, except this one has just an extra letter. 3bxy and plus 5y squared. Alright, again, which ones will we pair together? 3 divides into that, 3 divides into that, 5 divides into that, 5 divides into that. So that gives us kind of a clue, doesn't it? Alright, so we'll write this one first. 3abx x squared. We wrote that one. Now we're going to write this one. Now we'll write, well, what came first? A, B, X. We'll write this one next and this one next and see what happens. There's a minus 5axy and a plus 5y squared. Right, we'll do this bit first. What divides into 3 and 3? Obviously 3. What can I take from both sides? A b as well. A b and an x. And what's left? I need an a and an x minus y, yeah. Okay, so I have an ax and a y. Ax and a y. Alright, it's in the correct order. There's an ax here and there's a y over here. Ax, y. Ax, y. Right, so I need a ax minus y. Now what do I multiply by ax to get minus 5axy? Minus. Minus times a plus is a minus. Yeah. 5, and what am I missing? A y. Okay, and that works. Multiply those two, I get minus 5ax. Y. Minus 5 times minus y is plus 5y squared. Alright, now just my answer. These two. 3bx minus 5y. And then these two here. ax minus y and ax minus y. And I only need to write it once. They're the factors. 27 and one more, 29. Right, you can see, if you look here, part of the sum is already done for you. So looking up, what will I do with the x squared? I'll just, there's no equal sign, so nothing changes sign. I'm just going to push the x squared over here. Okay. And this bit is already done, so I'll just write it out again. That's a b. Alright, so 2, and what do we take? This bracket should be the same as that one. This bracket should be the same, so 2a minus b, but there's no b there. Let me see. Right, we'll take a step back on this one. Right, on this one what we'll have to do is we'll have to multiply the brackets first. So minus x times 2a minus 2ax minus x times minus b plus bx. So I multiplied x times 2a to give you minus 2ax minus x times minus b to give you plus bx. Now write the rest of it. 2ab plus x squared. Now we'll pair up. What will we pair up? We'll pair up these two. And we'll pair up these two. So the first two, write these first. 2ax minus 2ab, and then write this one, plus bx plus x squared. Now we'll look at the first pairing here. Minus 2 divides into both. And a. And what do I write here? X plus b. Alright, x is first and b is second. So what will I do here? B is first and x is second. Just put the b here, plus bx here. X is first, b is second. X is first, b is second. Alright, so I need to multiply what times x to give you x squared? So x times x is x squared, x times b is bx. So that's it. So I had to multiply the brackets up there to start. And the first answer is minus 2a plus x. X plus b, x plus b.